Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage feedback with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing feedback with SurveyMonkey, start by creating an account on their website. After signing up, log in to your SurveyMonkey account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Survey button to initiate a new project. Choose a template or select Start from Scratch to design your own survey. If you select a template, browse through the options and click on one you like. If you choose to start from scratch, enter a title for your survey that reflects its purpose. Next, you will need to add questions to your survey. Use the toolbar to choose different question types, such as multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scales. Enter your questions and customize the answer options as needed for clarity. After adding all your questions, review your survey to ensure it flows well and collects the necessary feedback. Click on the Next button to proceed to the survey options. Here, you can adjust settings such as response anonymity, limit responses, or set a deadline. Once your settings are configured, it's time to distribute your survey. Click on the Send button to access distribution options. You can share your survey via email, social media, or by generating a link. Choose the method that best reaches your audience and distribute your survey accordingly. As responses begin to come in, return to your SurveyMonkey account to view the results. Navigate to the Analyze Results section to see summary reports and detailed analytics. Consider exporting the data if you need to do more in-depth analysis in programs like Excel. Use the insights from your feedback to make informed decisions or improvements. Regularly check back to track any changes in responses over time. Finally, ensure you follow up with your participants if necessary to share outcomes or actions taken based on their feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.